Welcome to Nava Disha Tech Learning. Today we are breaking down API, an essential API concept. So, what is API? An API is an interface that lets different software applications communicate with each other. This is one of the core ideas in API that every developer should know. Here are the key things to know about API. Point 1. Acts as a contract between producer and consumer, defining how requests and responses should work. Point 2. Enables modularity, reusability, and integration across services, platforms, and organizations. Point 3. Powers virtually every modern mobile app, web application, cloud service, and AI system. Point 4. Can be public, open to anyone, partner, limited access, or private, internal only. Point 5. Proper design dramatically affects developer experience, security, scalability, and maintainability. And that is API explained. Subscribe to Nava Disha for a new API concept every single day. See you tomorrow.